In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily summarize PDFs using ChatGPT. Now, you are going to need a paid subscription to do this because we're going to be utilizing a GPT. Now, to find these GPTs, we want to come over here to the left-hand side where it says Explore GPTs. If we click on this, it's going to bring us to the GPT store. Now, from here, we're going to use the search bar and type in Summarize PDF, and as we can see, we have lots of different options. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you choose because obviously they're all going to summarize the PDF, but we're going to choose this first one just here. If we click on here, it's then going to open up in a new tab, and this is where we can actually upload our PDF and get it to summarize. So what we want to do is just upload by clicking on this little icon. If we click on there, we can upload our PDF and we can ask, please summarize this PDF. Then we're going to click enter, we're going to give it a few seconds for it to do its thing, and now it's summarized that PDF. So if we actually open this, we can see this PDF is about building muscle. It's called the Build Muscle Guide. Now if we scroll through here, we can see that there's quite a lot of pages, 46 to be precise. Now if we come back over to here, we can see that it's done a fantastic job at summarizing the PDF. So it said, the PDF is a comprehensive guide titled Training and Nutrition Guide. The Build Muscle Guide by I Am Forever Fit is designed to provide detailed information on building muscle, including sections on training, nutrition, rest and recovery, workouts and additional tips. Here's a detailed summary. So it goes on to say, Introduction to Muscle Building, Fundamentals of Muscle Building, Nutrition Focus, Workout Plan, Additional Tips, and Conclusion. So as you can see, this GPT within ChatGPT does a fantastic job at summarizing your PDFs. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like as it does really help out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.